Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. It's a Notice 7 story. If you are solo stan and can't see other members, then this story isn't for you. You are on wrong channel. Watch the story carefully, then comment. Be respectful and don't embarrass yourself. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Arthur's point of view. Slowly, everyone except Yoongi started accepting T, not completely. Their behavior towards T turned gentle. They started involving him in everything. Although T also knew he could never be the part of Kim family, he never tried to be. He knew his place and limits and never tried to cross it. Neither it was easy for Kim family nor Taeyang. They were still trying to figure out their relationship. Hangs were elders and mature, so they tried to handle the situation calmly. Jimin and Cook were very young at that time of their mother's death, so they didn't hate T, but neither love. For them, T was the person who just lived with them. 3 months passed. Now T was little comfortable with everyone. He was being bullied in his school but never complained to anyone. Since childhood, he was very understanding boy. T's bullies told him to steal the test papers. For the first time, T denied them. His bullies couldn't take it. They were going to punish him, but teacher came and saved him. Principal strictly asked T's new guardian's number, which T was denied from past 3 months. When principal pressurized, he gave Jin and Hobie's number. He came back to home and found there was no one. He was so hungry. He found food in fridge. He reheated it in microwave. He never worked in kitchen before, so he didn't know anything. He took out the food by bare hands and burned his fingers with spilled food. He started crying while remembering his mom, how she used to cook for him and fed him by her hands. Yoongi came back home because Chun spilled coffee on his suit. He went to kitchen to drink water and found spilled food. He became mad. T told him that it happened from him when T was picking the food. Yoongi saw the burn marks on his fingers. He cooked food for him and fed him by his own hands while doing meeting through call. T was amazed by seeing Yoongi's multitasking. He wanted to thank Yoongi, but Yoongi left without looking at him. In the evening, when T was missing his dad, thinking now nobody would buy clothes for him, Hobie gave him the bag full of new stuffs. He was so happy. Next day, he went on school wearing new uniform, but his bullies badly beaten him. On the other hand side, Yoongi's car stopped at Midway and he took Hobie's car. He found T's raincoat in it. It was raining heavily. Yoongi didn't want to go to T, but his words and actions didn't match. He made up excuse to save money and drove off to T's school. Let's see what happens next. Yoongi to Watchman. Excuse me? Watchman. Yes, sir. Yoongi. Can you give this raincoat to Taeyang? He studies in his 11th standard. He forgot his raincoat. Watchman. Sir, I have leg injury so I can't walk. Yoongi. Oh, so tell anyone else to give it to Taeyang. Watchman. Why don't you yourself give this raincoat to the boy? Yoongi. Can I go? Watchman. Open the gate. Yeah, you can. It's recess time, so all the students must be in cafeteria. Cafeteria is on right side. Yoongi. Thanks. While walking. Which type of a strange school is this? Guardian can come inside the school during school hours. Minnie and Cookie's school's watchman never let us come inside without guardian pass. Loud thunder sound. Mom, why are you scaring me? I told you that it was just for saving money. Medicines and injections are very costly nowadays. It will take only few minutes. I will just hand over him to raincoat, then go to the auction. Reached at cafeteria. Now, where do I search that boy? Asked to a boy. Excuse me? Boy. Yes. Yoongi. Can you tell me where is Taeyang? He is a 11th standard student. Boy. Oh, that sinner? Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. Excuse me? Boy 2 shouted. Here you all are wasting the time in eating. There's Sojun, Minze and Minho were beating that sinner. Let's go. It's so much fun to see. Yoongi shocked. Fun? Those 3 boys are beating and here everyone is enjoying. But before Yoongi could say anything, everyone ran to the back side of school. Yoongi went there too. He got shocked to see 3 boys were beating a boy whose body was bleeding. He didn't see the face. He threw the umbrella and raincoat which he was holding and pushed all 3 boys. Yoongi, mad. What the hell are you doing? Is this the way to behave? Minze, Hang, you don't come in between. Today we will teach him a good lesson. Kicked his tummy. T curled up while screaming, Mama! Yoongi pushed Minje. Hey, you little boy, control your legs. Why are you beating him? Shujun. Listen, Hyang, it's none of your business. It will be good for you if you go from here. Yoongi went to Shojun and stood towering over him. So, you are here's leader? Minho pushed Yoongi. Yes, we are. What will you do? Get lost from here and don't poke your bloody nose in our work. Yoongi cleared him. Don't you have manners to talk with elders? Minze. Look everyone, this Hyang came here to teach us manners. Everyone started laughing. Yoongi, quiet. Everyone shut their mouth. Why are you beating him? Don't you know fighting in school premises is wrong? Shujun, Hyang, are you dumb? Do you have any problem in listening? Minho, he dared to deny for serving us. He dared to go against us. That's why we are reminding him his place. Now you got your answer. Get lost. Yoongi, while cracking his knuckles. So you are bullying. Don't you know bullying is criminal offense? Shojun, so what will you do? Complain to principal? Go. Straight, then turn left. There is principal's cabin. Go and complain. Grabbed his shirt and pulled him. Yoongi, while cracking his neck. Leave him if you want to walk for rest of your life. Minho, this Hyang is so annoying. Yoongi, time's up babies. removed his long coat and dropped on the hard ground while folding his sleeves. I gave you three enough time, Minho. I think first we have to see this annoying Hyang, then this sinner. Threw punch on Yoongi. Yoongi swallowed his punch in his palm. Wrong move, baby. Let me teach you a good lesson. Looked upward in rain. Mom, see, I didn't break my promise. I gave them enough chance to back away. Now don't complain. Yoongi twisted Minjae's hand. Shojun and Minho attacked on Yoongi. Yoongi strangled Minho by his other elbow and hit Shojun's forehead by his. Shojun fell on the ground by holding his forehead. T weakly opened his eyes and got shocked to see Yoongi. He was strangling Minho by his one elbow and by other hand he was twisting Minze's hand. They both were struggling to free themselves. T stood up by limping and walked towards Yoongi and whispered while spitting blood. T, sir, leave them. Yoongi froze to hear T's voice. Dang! Left Minze and Minho and turned around. Dang! Pulled T in his embrace. They all are beating you. T, sir. Yoongi carefully made T sit on the floor. Sit here. Minze hit Yoongi's head with stick. You became this illegitimate sinner's protector, T screamed, Sir! Yoongi closed his eyes tightly. Taeyang, you just sit here. Clenched his fist. T grabbed Yoongi's fist. No, please. Shojun, Minze, and Minho were unaware of Yoongi's reality, but T wasn't. He knew Yoongi was the mafia king. He saw his mad side when he came to Kim Mansion for the first time. Yoongi didn't listen to T. He turned to them and started beating all three of them. Obviously, he wasn't putting his full strength, but his little bit of strength was too much for all three of them. He didn't say anything to T, but saw his all the bruises. Even the smallest bruise didn't get unnoticed by him. Seeing Yoongi's beating, T grasped. Yoongi was mad. He was only beating them and shouting. Yoongi, while beating, you little babies are thinking yourself leaders and bullying innocent students. What do you think about yourself, And you dare to call Taeyang a sinner and illegitimate, He isn't a sinner. He isn't an illegitimate. He is Kim. If any of you dare to tease him, I swear I won't hesitate to break your bones. You are just a student. It will be good for you if you behave like a student only. No need to become big before time. Beating them. T, overwhelmed. Kim? Did sir just called me Kim? He called me by his surname? Yoongi, today I will teach you the lesson which you never forget in your life. You will think thousands of times before teasing and bullying others. T somehow went to Yoongi. Sir, please leave them. Yoongi lightly pushed T. Taeyang, don't interfere in between. Today they will learn their lesson. T was trying hard to stop Yoongi, but he wasn't stopping. Soon some teachers came and tried to separate Yoongi from Shojun, Minze and Minho, but no use. Yoongi was the trained mafia king. He could handle 10-20 mafias alone. Here were only commoners. Suddenly, Yoongi's mobile started buzzing from his long coat's pocket. He found Yoongi's coat on the ground. He saw the caller ID and immediately picked the call. OTP. Yoongi, where are you? You left for auction but didn't reach there. Do you know we lost a good deal? T. Jin Hyang. Jin shocked. T. What's Yoongi's mobile doing with you? Where is Yoongi? And what's this noise? T. Sir is fighting. Isn't listening. Anyone? Jin. You don't worry. I'm coming there. Where are both of you? T. My school. Please come fast. Jin. I will be there in no time. Don't be scared. Call ended. Yoongi dragged all three students in principal's office and threw on the floor. T also reached there with the help of teachers. Principal stood up. What's happening here? Who are you? What's this behavior? Yoongi slammed his hands on the table. You are just sitting in this AC room, totally unaware that in your school, innocent students are being bullied. Principal, what nonsense are you saying? Are you drunk? Bullying is strictly prohibited. T came there. Sir. Yoongi. Strictly prohibited? Grabbed T's arms and dragged him in front of principal. Then what's this? Grabbed T's back of the neck. Look at his face carefully. What's this? Have you seen his face? Showed him his knuckles. Have you seen these knuckles? Do you think he got these bruises from falling on ground? T hissed. Sir. Yoongi left T's back of the neck and pulled a chair. Sit here. I'm here. You aren't alone. No need to scare. I will see who dare to bully you, said by glaring at principal. Principal, Tyang, you are badly injured. Looked at teacher who was busy in helping Shojun, Minze and Minho. Take Tyang in infirmary. Yoongi, no need. Tyang won't go anywhere. His bruises will be treated only when the parents of these three students will come here. Principal looked at the boys. I will talk with their parents. Yoongi, no, I will talk. Call them right here or tell them to meet their children at hospital ward. Principal gulped hard. I'm calling. Principal called their parents. Their dads were trustees. Namjin also reached there. They tried to send Yoongi away because they knew Yoongi's anger very well, but neither he was ready to go nor letting anyone to treat these bruises. Jin, Yoongi, don't be stubborn. T needs treatment. Yoongi, Tyang needs justice. His bruises are deep but aren't serious. He can be a little more, but justice can't. June, Hyang, we are here to handle this. You should go with T. Yoongi glared at June. Neither I will go nor he. They all started talking, but soon it turned in heated argument. Neither bully's parents were ready to accept their children's mistake, nor Yoongi was ready to listen them. Namjin were trying their best to control the situation because they knew very well that Yoongi never involved in any argument. Soon he would show his mafia side and burst out. Then what he would do, even Yoongi himself couldn't predict. Bully's parents were trustees, so they were showing their power and tried to close the matter by money. Shojun's dad, no need to create drama. We will pay for this boy's treatment. Jin, do cut off. Yoongi, so you mean if you pay money, then your crime will settle down? Minho's dad, of course it can. Money can settle down anything. Minze's dad, what's your problem? We are ready to pay for this boy's treatment. And if you want, we can even promote him in next class without even attending the class. Ringy raised his one eyebrow. Really? You can do this? Minzy's dad. Of course we can. After all, we are trustees of this school. Yungi smirked. Oh, so you are trustees. Now I understood how your children got so much courage to bully other children. By the way, I like your money factor. Shojun's dad. See, I told you money can buy anything. Now tell me, how much money do you want to settle this matter? Yungi, you seem like experienced one. You decide the worth of Taeyang's brushes, said by poking his tongue in his cheek. Minho's dad looked at me. I think $1 million. Minho's dad looked at me. I think 1 million won, Korean currency, will be enough. Took out his checkbook and made the check of 1 million won and gave to Yungi. Here is the check of 1 million won. Shojun's dad, it's more than enough of the existence of this illegitimate sinner's life. You look a peaceful person. It's not good for taking enmity from us for a useless person. Yungi smiled with smirk. Absolutely right. I am very peaceful person. I only believe in peaceful things. I understood your peacemaking talks. Looked at me. Taeyang, stand up and apologize to their children. June whispered to Jin. Hyang, stop them. They don't know Yoongi Hyang's peaceful side. Jin whispered back. How do I stop them? Didn't you see how Yoongi stopped me? Just pray Yoongi's peaceful side doesn't come out here, especially in front of T. Just look at him, how terrified he is looking, hearing apologize. Poor he doesn't even know the meaning of apologize. June whispered. But we have to do something before this room filled with Yoongi Hyang's peaceful blood cut off by Yoongi's road. Yoongi roared, Taeyang! Haven't you heard? Come here and apologize. Don't make me repeat myself. Everyone flinched hard to hear Yoongi's angry roar. T stood up and went to Yoongi with trembling. T, I'm so sorry. About to bow, but Yoongi stopped him. Yoongi, you don't even know how to apologize. Wait, let me teach you how to apologize according to crime. Shojun, Minze, and Minho were smirking, thinking they won. Yoongi called them by gesture and placed their palm on the table. He grabbed their wrist of all three of them by his one hand, and by other hand he grabbed T's bruised hand. While holding a small but sharp knife, he slashed the knife from their knuckles by T's hand and made them bleed. Everyone got shocked to see this. Shojun, Minze, and Minho started screaming loudly. Yoongi grabbed T's neck and hit on Shojun, Minze, and Minho's nose and made them bleed. June grabbed his forehead and shook his head. Peaceful things have started. T, terrified, and tried to free himself. Sir, please. Yoongi, look at this, Taeyang. This is your lesson. This is how you should apologize for the crime you attempted. Yoongi was making Shojun, Minse, and Minho bleeding just like T by grabbing T's hands. Principal and other parents were trying to stop Yoongi. Namjin were sitting on their chairs and shaking their heads. They knew the peaceful revenge has just begun. Shujun's dad, leave our son, you psycho! Minho's dad, you want to kill our sons? Minse's dad, what this illegitimate child is to you? Yoongi broke their children's hand and grabbed his fistful hair and showed his face to their parents. He is Kim Taeyang, not illegitimate child. If his parents do anything wrong, then you can't torture him. You can't judge him. He is an innocent child. He isn't alone whom you can threaten. We are with him. He has the backing of 4 powerful mafias. You may not me. I am Kim Yoongi, the ruthless mafia king. Don't you dare to mess whom belongs to me. I only broke your children's hand, which can treat in few months, but if you dare to mess again, I won't hesitate to empty my bullets in your children's head. Don't expect mercy from me. I'm merciless. For you, money can settle down anything. I will give you blank check. Fill the amount of your children's lives. Don't worry about your children's health. My personal doctor will take care of them. Don't you dare to show me the power of money. I'm much more wealthy and powerful than entire you three. Left T's hair. Yoongi left T's hair and looked at he looked at Namjin, then fell on the floor. Yoongi was busy in arguing with them. June T. Jin. Yoongi, leave them and take T to hospital. He needs medical treatment. Here we will handle everything. You just go fast. Yoongi picked T in his arms and left the cabin. He was walking by the backside of the school. It was still raining with thunder. He was about to step on T's pendant, which was on the ground. Suddenly, thunder lightning stopped him. He looked down and picked the pendant, which was broken. He turned T's head closer to his chest, saving him from rain, and walked towards the Hobie's car. A man who always pushed away the child by calling him an illegitimate child and sin now stood up for him, called him as Kim, accepted him as his belongings, who hated the boy, now carrying him in his arms. Blood speaks, no matter what happened, but blood is always thicker than the water. Get ready to witness the much awaited Tegi's long moments. To be continued. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. How was the peaceful revenge? Do you like it? It is Mafia family. How can you expect forgiveness from them? Yoongi cared for T as a person. Yes, he accepted T as Kim, but it didn't mean he completely accepted him. He can't accept T. He knows T was an innocent, but he reminds him the betrayal of his dad and his mom's shattered state. It's not easy for him to accept T. It will take some time. Crime attempted by one, but its consequence has to suffer their whole family. And that was the worst because they were innocent. Let's see how will dynamic change between T and Jungi. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with next part. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.